MyBizCard can scan business cards written in non-Latin languages such as Russian, Arabic, Hindi, Chinese, and many others. The app automatically reads the card, extracts the contact details, and translates the information into English for easier understanding and faster follow-up. At the same time, MyBizCard also keeps the original card information in the local language inside dedicated fields such as local name, local job title, local company, and other local contact details. This means you do not lose the original content of the card while also getting a clear English version that is ready to search, organize, and manage. When saving the contact, the user can choose whether to keep the contact in the original local language or save it with the English translated information. This makes MyBizCard especially useful for international exhibitions, conferences, meetings, and business networking where contacts come from many different countries and languages.